Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create Instagram account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your Instagram app, and now if you want to open up a new account, what you need to do is tap on your profile icon, then tap on the 3-bar icon on the top right corner of the screen, and once it loads, scroll all the way down and then tap on logout, or simply tap on add an account. And once you do that, tap on the option that says create new account. Once you're inside here, what you need to do is enter your username. Let me just type in demo and then tap on next. And once you do that, here you'll be asked to create your password. Now all you gotta do is just simply create your password, and once you enter in your password, it will ask you to re-enter your password to confirm it. And once you do that, tap on next. And once that process is done, here you will be asked to enter in your birth date as well. All you gotta do is enter in your birth date, and once you enter in your birth date, from there you'll be welcome to Instagram, and all you gotta do is tap on next. And once you tap on next, you can change your username once again as well. And once you're done with all that process, follow the on-screen instructions to completely create a new profile, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.